Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, at U.S. stocks to close in just about 2 hours, the Nasdaq-100 is trading lower along with the broader market as investors lighten up heading into the weekend on fears global cases and deaths from the coronavirus will continue to soar, especially in the U.S. as testing has ramped up this week. The United States now has more confirmed cases of COVID-19 than China, though far fewer deaths. The $2 trillion stimulus package just passed the House of Representatives a few minutes ago, right around 1:30 Eastern time, and now it will go to the White House for President Trump's signature. And so that is one good piece of news. The market's actually not reacting too much on that as it was widely expected. So let's get into Nasdaq-100 specific news. Apple today announced the release of a new COVID-19 app in partnership with the CDC, White House Corona Task Force, and FEMA. The app and website will allow users to answer a series of questions around risk factors, recent exposure, and symptoms for themselves or a loved one. In turn, they will receive CDC recommendations on next steps, including guidance on social distancing and self-isolating, how to closely monitor symptoms, whether or not a test is recommended at this time, and when to contact a medical provider. This is designed to be a resource for individuals and doesn't replace instructions from healthcare providers or guidance from state and local health authorities. But the upside here is it will help to alleviate some of the pressure on the already stretched healthcare system. Thank you for joining us throughout the week on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.